Hi everyone, today I am making very authentic steamed momo. This is delicious to eat and very easy to make. For this I took onion and I chopped in a chopper. Now take out this in a bowl. Now take some cabbage and again chop in a chopper. Now again take it out in a bowl. Now take some carrot, some chilies and chop it. Now take this out in a bowl. Now add some crushed ginger, some chopped coriander, salt and mix it properly. Press it with a spoon so the water comes out. Now take a strainer and take the extra water out of it. The veggies should not be very dry. Just press it slowly. Now take this out in the bowl. Add ghee. If you are vegan, you can use coconut oil also. Now we'll make dough. For that, take flour, salt and mix it. Now for the dough, we'll take some water. Now take water gradually. We do not want our dough to be very tight or very soft. So be careful while making a dough. This is a very important that our dough should be very accurate. Now take a small bowl. Take some flour and make a small round of it. Now it should not be very thin or very thick. Now put some veggies in between and fold it this way. Now overlap this way. And press it. Your momo is ready. Now we'll make one more. So again make a circle, not very thin or not thick. Now put some veggies in a center. Now this time we'll start overlapping from the between. So keep it moving this way. And don't forget to press from the top while overlapping it. So now turn this way and press it. Here another way of momo is ready. Now steam it for 15 minutes in medium to low flame. I already made a video of chutney and will give link in the description box. So enjoy. Please do like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.